Okay, what I've got here is a 2000 Suzuki Quadmaster 500 4x4. And the problem is, down here, where your clutches are, there's a seal back behind there that goes bad and it leaks engine oil all inside your clutch case. I already have the big cover off it and some of the venting ducts that are on it. I got that off. You won't have to take the fenders off to do this, but I had them off to figure out some electrical problems on this thing. So, what we got to do first is remove these clutches, and then this case here, there's an extra case here that's got to come off so you can get to the clutch thing that's behind there. But we're also going to have to drain the engine oil on this, because otherwise when you take that apart, the engine oil is all going to come gushing out of the engine and make a mess. So you're going to want to start by draining your engine oil. But also, to remove that cover on there, you have to take off your footrest and your brake here. You take the cable loose so that this can just flip down. And to get them clutches in that extra case out of there, you're going to have to take both of these pegs where your footrest would mount to. There's just 2 bolts under each side of it. Well, now that I got that stuff out of the way, time for them clutches to come off of there. These here actually ain't a big solid piece. They're split. So you take this off, don't let this fall apart. This clutch is all one piece. Then you have the rest of this clutch. Then that plate will come off. Just got a bunch of, looks like 8mm head bolts in here to take loose now. Okay, we got her all loose. And out she goes. We have our outer clutch housing here, and we got our parts washer, and we're gonna get these all cleaned up, get all this oil out of here. Okay, you got this shaft in here. You have to get that out so you can get your seals in there, and to clean this out, take that off. What you do, got that up on blocks there. I already got it pounded down, but get that up on blocks. You'll take a wood block, set it on there, take a hammer, and whack it. It's just, the shaft is shoved up in there, and you just got to get it out. Okay, now we're on the back side, and got 2 retainers here, and then your bearing can come out of there, and your seals and all that. And out they come. Everything always comes easier with an impact. And that stuff's pressed in there, so you're going to have to get that out from the other side by knocking it out. But if you've ever done anything with bearings before, this part will be pretty easy. So. Okay, this is the seal that goes in that crankcase cover there. You're going to have to make yourself a homemade tool here. This is just out of a piece of metal we bent, welded the edge on it. And that's what you're going to need so you can hit that and install that and press it in there. Otherwise you can't get that seal in there, because the seal is put in opposite of how most seals are installed.